Hello viewers, welcome to SMC tutorials. So today we'll be discussing on how to register on the cPen mining app and start mining pen. So cPen mining started last year and will end this year December. So you still have time to mine a lot of coins. All you'll be needing is a cPen app which is available on Play Store. So after downloading the cPen app, you are good to go. So open your cPen app. Since you are registering for the first time, you click on register. You input your email, your password. It must contain at least 6 characters, 1 upper letter, 1 lower case letter, 1 numeric character, and 1 special character. Let's use a password that matches it. Let's just use this. Then we enter password. Invitation code, if you have, you can input, but if you don't have, just ignore. Sign up. An email has been sent to your email address. Please verify. Okay, let's check the email address. So here is the email. So you need to verify your account for you to start mining. Just click on verify email, then use whatever browser you're familiar with. I'm using Chrome. It's verified. Your account was verified. Please open the cPen app and enjoy. Let's check our cPen app. So you need to log in, then sign in. So input your full name and your username. Then click on continue. So you've registered on the app. All you need to do is click on start. So you're registering for the first time, they'll give you 3 pen. So click on start. Then it will start mining. So click on the 3 bar at the left top, click on it. Then you see local service, mine pen, your team, event, transaction history, and about us. This local service is about opening loot box. Users can open loot boxes and get several gifts. So let's open one and you earn 2.52 cPen reward. So let's go back. Then mine cPen. This is about the mining interface and how your mining works. You earn 0.48438 per hour without referrals, but if you have a referral or you have referrals, your mining rate will increase. So about your team, this talks about your referrals. If you share your referral code with your friends, your mining rate will increase. So let's check the other one. Events. This contains events about the cPen airdrop that's currently ongoing and the ones that have passed. So currently there is no airdrop ongoing. This one has already ended. This one has ended. So let's go back. Transaction history contains your mining history, how you have mined. So we just started mining. This is transaction history. About us is about the app, what the app is all about. Then the roadmap is the roadmap of the app. Your profile, here's where you can find it. So that's all. So you mine within your mining interval is within 24 hours. After 24 hours, you'll be able to mine again. So that's all about the cPen mining. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video has been very helpful. If you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section, as a team member will be available to answer your question. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this, and see you guys in our next video. Thanks for watching.